Good morning, students. This is the last practice time of this chapter. This is again first chapter, and the name of this chapter is large number. And this is the last practice time of this chapter. Okay. So in this practice time, I ask some number and you have to write down the answer in Roman numerals. Okay. First question is that write the Roman numeral for the following. A part 57. How we can write 57 in Roman numeral? See, first remember Roman used 7 main 7 letters. Okay, which are they? I equals to 1, V equals to 5, X equals to 10, L equals to 50, C equals to 100, D equals to 500, M equals to 1000. So see here 57. So first you split 57 according to 7 main system, means 50 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, because no 2. Okay, so see 50 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. How we can write 50? L. How we can write 5? V. How we can write 1 I, and how we can write another I, 1 I, means the exact answer of this one is L V I. So remember main 7 letters in your mind, then it is very easy to solve the any letter or any numeral in Roman form. Second one is B part 94. How we can write 94? See here is 90 plus 4. Is any letter? No letter. Means how we can write 90? Because you all knows any letters repeat only 3 times, not more than 3 times. Okay, and L is not repeated, V is not repeated, D is not repeated. So how? Only, yes, here use 6 part, where X is subtracted from C, X is subtracted from L and C. Okay, X is subtracted from L and C. So here is 90. Here is 90. So how we can write 90? Very easy. How? Tell me. Yes. What you have to do? You just write down. First you write down X, then C. Why? Because X is smaller than C, and the value of C is 100, and if we write X before C, then it's mean 100 is 10 is subtracted from 100. Okay, so means 100 minus 10 equals to 90. This is the way you find out the value of 90. Now 4. How we can write 4? Because the value of 5 is V. So you just subtract, yes, you just subtract 1 from 5. How? Again, you just put I. You just put I before V. Means first make bracket, then 100 minus 10. Means first write 10x C. Bracket close. Now second bracket is start and write down 5 minus 1. So first you write I and then V. The exact answer is XCIV. This is the exact answer of 94. Clear it? Now third part. This is C. This is 134. Again, this is very easy. You just split it, these three numbers. 134. So first write down 100. 100 plus 30. 30, then 4. How we can write 30? X means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4. How we can write? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 4 times 1, 1, 1. And you all knows only 3 times use any letter, not more than 3 times. So don't use 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Means I. Here also 100. What is the value of 100? What is the letter of 100? C. Now 10 plus 10 plus 10. So what is the letter of 10? X. Means X. Only 3 times. Now 4. Yes, here also 5 minus 1 means IV. So the exact answer of this number is C, X, IV. This is the exact answer of this part. Okay. Now move to D part of this question. D part is 579. 579. So again you split it. See, according to main 7 letters. Okay. So first 500 plus 70. How we can write 70? 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 4. Now it is very easy because see here. You all knows the value of 500. Main letters, 7 main letters. Here D is also there. So the value of D is 500. So put D. Now 50. 50 plus 10 plus 10 equals to 70. So what is the value of 50? L. And what is the letter of 10? X. What is the letter of 10? X. Now what is the letter of V? 5. Now what is the letter of 4? Is any letter of 4? No. Then what you have to do? You just fix I before V. So the exact answer of this part is D, L, X, V, I, V. This is the exact answer of this part. Now E part of this question. E part is 171. So here again you split the number. How? 171. So again use 7 basic letters. 7 basic letters is 100. So first write down 100. Then again 70. How we can write 70? 50 plus 10 plus 10 and plus 1. Here all the letters are used. Means 100 equals to C, 50 equals to L, 10 equals to X, 10 equals to X, and 1 equals to I. So the exact answer of this part is C, L, X, X, I. All the letters in the capital form. Okay, so you all understand? Okay, I will give another one. Here is 324. Here 324. So how you can write 324? Very easy. First you write 300, then 20, then 4. And now see 300. How? 300. 100 plus 100 plus 100. 3 times 100. Now plus 20, 10 plus 10 plus 4. Here rule used. Third one. Okay, means 100 plus 100 plus 100 equals to C, 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 and 10 plus 10 X, X, and 4 I, V. I, V equals to 4. Clear it? Very good. So now I hope you all understand this part of Roman numeral. Okay? So do practice as much as you can. You have previous class book. You open your book and search Roman numerals and do as much as you can. If you practice many times, then you all understand how to solve it. Because Roman language is a very easy language, and if you all understand the Roman language, then it is very easy to solve it. Okay? So best of luck and do practice as much as you can. Now the second question of this practice time is that write the Hindu Arabic numeral for the following. In this question, you give the answer in Hindu Arabic numeral. So first part of this question is LVI. First see all the letters in the descending order. Is L is greater than V? Yes. And V is greater than I? Yes. Means all the letters in the descending orders. So it is very easy. What you have to do? You just add all the 3 letters. Means L plus V plus I. Means L equals to 50 plus V equals to 5 plus I equals to 1. So 50 plus 5, 55, and 1, 56. Easy? Yes. Now move to second part of this question. L, X, 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 I. Here also you see it. If letters in the descending order, then it is very easy to add. See, L is greater than X and X is equals to X, and this X is also equals to X, and this X is greater than I. Means L plus X plus X plus X plus I. Means L equals to 50 plus X equals to 10 plus X equals to 10 plus X equals to 10 plus I equals to 1. Means 50 plus 10 equals to 60, 60 plus 10 equals to 70, 70 plus 10 equals to 80. 80 plus 1 equals to 81. Easy? Clear it? Enjoying? Very good. Now move to C part of this question. See here, X, L, I, X. X, L, I, X. See here, this is in this question, in this part, letters in the descending order. So first is X, L. Is X is greater than L? No, X is not greater than L. Means use C part or sixth one, because in sixth rule, X is always subtracted from L and C. So here is X then L, means X is subtracted from L. Bracket L minus X, bracket close, plus now I, X. Here I is greater than X? No. So again open bracket, first write down X minus I, bracket close. So here is two bracket. First bracket is where L minus X, L equals to 50. So 50 minus X equals to 10, means 50 minus 10 equals to 40, plus, and now in second bracket X minus 1, X equals to 10 and 10 minus 1 equals to 9. So total 40 plus 9 equals to 49. Clear? Enjoying? Very good. Now, so how we pronounce it? M equals to 1000 and M is greater than D and D is greater than L and L is greater than I. Means here is 4 letters and all the letters are in the descending orders. Means M plus D plus L plus I. Okay, so M equals to 1000 plus D equals to 500 plus L equals to 50 and plus I equals to 1. Means 1000 plus 500 means 1500, and then 1500 plus 50, 1550, and 1550 plus 1 equals to 1551. Clear it? So now this part is also clear. Now move to another part. Another part is that this is E part, DC, X, I, V. All the letters in the capitals. D, C, X, I, V. So see, first you see that all the letters in the descending order. D is greater than C, C is greater than X, X is greater than I is greater than V. No. So what you have to do? Very easy. First D plus C plus X plus, make bracket, and V minus I. Means D equals to 500 plus C equals to 100 plus S equals to 10 plus bracket V equals to 5, 5 minus I equals to 1, 5 minus 1 equals to 4. So means 500 plus 100 plus 10 plus 4. So the exact answer is 500 plus 100 equals to 600, 600 plus 10 equals to 610, and 610 plus 4 equals to 614. Clear it? Enjoying? Very good. Keep it up. So you all understand all these Roman letters, and you have to convert these Roman letters in Hindu-Arabic system. Okay? Okay. Now the next part, this is F part. In F part, C X X X I V. First again what you have to do? Yes, check is these letters all in the descending order. Means first greater number and then move to smaller number. So first check. C is greater than X. Very good. X equals to X. Very good. X equals to X. Very good. X is greater than I. Very good. I is greater than V. No. So here also C plus X plus X plus X plus, make bracket, and what you have to do? V minus I, bracket close. Now write down in the numbers. So C equals to 100 plus X equals to 10 plus X equals to 10 plus X equal to 10 plus bracket V equals to 5 minus I equals to 1, bracket close. Now see, 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals to 130 plus, and 5 minus 1 equals to 4. So 130 plus 4 equals to 134. Clear it? Enjoying? Very good. Now move to next word. Next letter is D C C X X I X. Again, this is G part. This is G part. D C C X X I X. So first you see, yes, is all the letters in the descending order, means starting from greatest number and move to smallest number. Let's check. So first letter is D, and D is greater than C, and C equals to C, and C is greater than X, and X equals to X, and X is greater than I, and I is greater than X. No, I is not greater. Again the last part. So what you have to do? D plus C plus C plus X plus bracket X minus I, bracket close, means 500 plus C equals to 100 plus C equals to 100 plus X equals to 10 plus X equals to 10 plus bracket X equals to 10 minus I equals to 1, bracket close, means 500 plus 100 equals to 600, 600 plus 100 equals to 700, 700 plus 10 equals to 710, and 710 plus 10 equals to 720 plus X minus 10 minus 1 equals to 9, means 720 plus 9 equals to 729. This is the way you solve all the questions. Okay, now the H part of this question. H part is D C C C L I. 3 times C and 3 times I. It is applicable, it is acceptable, because any letters used only 3 times. But these 3 letters not used, not repeated. Yes, V is not repeated, L is not repeated, and D is not repeated. And rest all the numbers are repeated only 3 times, not more than 3 times. So in this question, D C C C L I. C. First you see, is these letters in the descending order? Let's check. D is greater than C. Yes. C equals to C. Yes. And this C is also equals to C. Good. Now C is greater than L. Good. And L is greater than I. Yes. And I is equals to I. Yes. And I is equals to I. Yes. So all are in the descending order. Means these letters you just add very easily. Means D plus C plus C plus C plus L plus I plus I plus I. Now you write down all the numbers. D equals to 500 plus C equals to 100 plus C equals to 100 plus C equals to 100 plus L equals to 50 plus I equals to 1 plus I equals to 1 plus I equals to 1. So when we add all the digits, what is the exact answer? Means 500 plus 100 equals to 600, 600 plus 100 equals to 700, 700 plus 100 equals to 800, 800 plus 50 equals to 850, and 850 plus 1 equals to 851, and 851 plus 1 equals to 852, and 852 plus 1 equals to 853. This is the way you just add. Don't do it in shortcut or in a hurry, otherwise you will be wrong or you will be confused. Okay, now the last part of this question. MD LXII. Once again I repeated, MD LXII. Okay, so see it. First again you check it, is these number in the descending order? Okay, so let's see. M is greater than D? Yes, very good. D is greater than X? Yes, again very good. X is greater than L is greater than X? Yes, very good. And X is greater than I? Yes. And I equals to I? Yes. So here again you just add all the digits. How? M plus D plus L plus X plus I plus I. Okay, so here M equals to 1000 plus D equals to 500 plus L equals to 50 plus X equals to 10 plus I equals to 1 plus I equals to 1. All are in the descending order, so it is very easy to add, and when you add, the exact answer comes is 1000 plus 500 equals to 1500, 1500 plus 50 equals to 1550, 1550 plus 10 equals to 1560, and 1560 plus 1 equals to 1561 plus 1 equals to 1562, means 1562. This is the exact answer of the number. Like this way you just understand how to write down the number in the numerical way. Okay, so do practice as many times as you can at your home. Okay, now the third question of this practice time. Here you have to solve the following question in adding or in subtracting. So first one, A part, CDIII plus CMXXIX. This is the first part. So first you convert these Roman number into Hindu Arabic. So first part is CDIII. So first C, is this number in the descending order? Let's check. C is greater than D? No. So what you have to do? You just make comma and D minus C, bracket close, plus I plus I plus I. So 500, D equals to 500 and C equals to 100 and I equals to 1. So 500 minus 100 equals to 400. 400 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 403. Clear it? Now move to second part. This is CMXXIM. Again let's check, is this is also in the descending order? Is C is greater than M? No. Again you make bracket, and what you have to do? Yes, first write down M minus C, bracket close, plus x plus x plus I is greater than x? No. Again make bracket and then write down x minus I, bracket close. So first one, bracket m equals to 1000, 1000 minus c equals to 100, 1000 minus 100, bracket close, plus x equals to 10 plus x equals to 10 plus bracket start 10 minus 1, bracket close. Now see, 1000 minus 100 equals to 900 plus 10 plus 10 equals to 20 plus in second bracket 10 minus 1 equals to 9, means 20 plus 9 equals to 29, and 900 plus 29 equals to 929. Now you see, first one is 403 and second one is 929. So when we add both the number 403 plus 929, it become 1332. What is this? 1332. So see how you write down this number in Roman number. So first one is 1000. So write down 1000 plus then 300, 300 plus then 30, 30 then 2. Okay. Now see, 1000 plus and 300. How we can write 300? 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus how we can write 30, x plus x plus x, and how we can write 2, I plus I, means 1000 equals to m. Now c x x x I. This is the exact answer of this part. Okay, understand? Now the third question of this practice time. Here you have to solve the following question in adding or in subtracting. So first one, A part, CDIII plus CMXXIX. This is the first part. So first you convert these Roman number into Hindu Arabic. So first part is CDIII. So first C, is this number in the descending order? Let's check. C is greater than D? No. So what you have to do? You just make comma and D minus C, bracket close, plus I plus I plus I. So 500, D equals to 500 and C equals to 100 and I equals to 1. So 500 minus 100 equals to 400. 400 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 403. Clear it? Now move to second part. This is CMXXIM. Again let's check, is this is also in the descending order? Is C is greater than M? No. Again you make bracket, and what you have to do? Yes, first write down m minus c bracket close plus x plus x plus I is greater than x. No, again make bracket and then write down x minus I bracket close. So first one, bracket m equals to 1000, 1000 minus c equals to 100, 1000 minus 100 bracket close plus x equals to 10 plus x equals to 10 plus bracket start 10 minus 1 bracket close. Now see, 1000 minus 100 equals to 900 plus 10 plus 10 equals to 20 plus in second bracket 10 minus 1 equals to 9, means 20 plus 9 equals to 29 and 900 plus 29 equals to 929. Now you see, first one is 403 and second one is 929. So when we add both the number 403 plus 929, it become 1332. What is this? 1332. So see how you write down this number in Roman number. So first one is 1000. So write down 1000 plus then 300 plus then 30 then 2. Okay. Now see, 1000 plus and 300. How we can write 300? 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus how we can write 30, x plus x plus x, and how we can write 2, I plus I, means 1000 equals to m. Now c x x x I. This is the exact answer of this part. Okay, understand? Clear it? B part. Now move to B part of this question. B part is L XX VI. L XX VI plus DL. So first see the first part, that is L XX VI. So here also first you check, is this number, is this in these all letters in the descending order? L is greater than X. Yes, very good. X equals to X. Yes, very good. And X is also greater than V. Yes, very good. And V is greater than I. Yes, very good. So means these all letters in the descending order. So you just add all these letters, means L plus X plus V plus I, means L equals to 50 plus X equals to 10 plus X equals to 10 plus V equals to 5 plus I equals to 1, means 50 plus 10 equals to 60, 60 plus 10 equals to 70, 70 plus 5 equals to 75, and 75 plus 1 equals to 76. So the exact figure of this number is 76. Plus now DL, D equals to 500 plus L equals to 50, means 500 plus 50 equals to 550. And when you add both the number, means 76 plus 550, 76 plus 550. When you add both the number, what is the result? 626. 626. How you can write 626? Very easy. First write down 600 plus 20, then 6. See here, 600. How we can write 600? 500 plus 100 means write down 500 plus 100, 600. Now 20, 10 plus 10, now 6, V 5 plus 1. Clear? 500 equals to D, 100 equals to C, 10 equals to X, 10 equals to X, 5 equals to V, and 1 equals to I. So the exact answer of this part is D, C, X, X, V, I. This is the exact answer of this question. Okay, now the another part or third part of this question. Now move to the subtracted form. When this types of question comes, as you all solve, first you converted all the Roman numbers in Hindu-Arabic system and then you solved. Without converting in Hindu-Arabic system, it is very difficult for you to solve the answer. And always kept 7 main digits of Roman numbers. Okay, now the third part is LXIX minus XVII. Once again I repeat, the question is LXIX minus XVII. So first you take LXIX and you check, is this number in the descending order? Let's check. L is greater than X. Yes, L is greater than X. Good. X is greater than I. Yes, X is greater than I. Is I is greater than X? No, I is not greater than X. So what you have to do? Yes, first L plus X plus make bracket and X minus 1 bracket close. So L equals to 50 plus X equals to 10 plus bracket X minus 1. X minus 1 equals to 9, means 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 9, 69. So the exact answer of this one is 69. Now minus XVII. Now you have to convert it. This one is also XVII. Is X is greater than V? Yes. Is V is greater than I? Yes. And I equals to I? Yes. Means now you converted this number also in Hindu-Arabic. So X equals to 10 plus V equals to 5 plus I equals to 1 plus I equals to 1, means 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 1, 16, 16 plus 1, 17. So the total number of these letters are 17, and in first letter is 69. So you just subtract 69 minus 17, and when you subtract 69 minus 17 equals to 52, because 9 minus 7 equals to 2 and 5 minus 1 equals to 6 minus 1 equals to 5. So the exact answer is 52. 69 minus 17 equals to 52. How we can write 52? Very easy. 50 plus 2. How we can write 2? 1 plus 1 means 50 plus 1 plus 1. So 50 equals to L plus 1 equals to I and 1 equals to I, means L, I, all are in the capital letter. Okay, clear it? Now the second part or the second part in subtraction form, but total fourth part of this question. Question is CDI minus XCVII. Once again I repeat it, CDI minus XCVII. So first you converted these number in Hindu Arabic. So first is CDI. First we check CDI in the descending order. Check it. Is C is greater than D? No, C is not greater than D. So what you have to do? Make bracket and first write down D minus C, bracket close, plus I. So D minus C, D equals to 400, D equals to 500 and C equals to 100, means 500 minus 100, bracket close, plus 1, means 500 minus 100 equals to 400, 400 plus 1 equals to 401, minus XCVII, XCVII. Again we check it, is this one also in the descending order? X is greater than C? No, X is not greater than C. So here also bracket C minus X, bracket close, plus V plus I, means C equals to 100. So 100 minus 10, bracket close, plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. So 100 minus 10 equals to 90, 90 plus 5 equals to 95, 95 plus 1 equals to 96 and 96 plus 1 equals to 97. Okay, so you have to subtract 97 from 401. You have to subtract 97 from 401. So 401 minus 97 equals to how much? Yes, how much? Yes, 305. How? 305 or 306. 401 minus 97. Which one? This is 307 or 306 or 304? Tell me. Yes, this is 304, not 306, not 307. This is 304. How we can write 304? 300 plus 4. Okay. So how we can write 300? C plus C plus C, because C equals to 100, and you can use C in 3 times. That's why C plus C plus C. Now 4. How we can write 4? Yes, IV, means the exact answer of this one is CCCIV. So understand? Very good. And enjoying this topic? Yes, I know that you all are enjoying this topic. Very good. So do practice as many as you can and solve it and enjoying this Roman numbers, and always keep it in mind the main 7 letters. Okay, so enjoying and practice as many times as you can.